So you guys are together?
Yes.
Okay, I can have one on this.
Hey guys, we're on Infinity Falls, SeaWorld's newest water ride, and this is an awesome POV of us, as well as we're filming POVs on Media Day. Enjoy.
Hey guys, Dan from Coaster Challenge. I'm riding Infinity Falls, brand new Intamin raft ride here at SeaWorld Orlando.
You ready to get wet?
Ready to get wet.
Alright, these GoPros without the protective cases ready to get wet?
Totally ready to get wet.
We actually rode during soft opening and it was a lot of fun, so we're super excited to be riding again.
The thing about this ride is really beautiful, really lush landscaping, nice rock work. It took a while to build this ride, delayed a few months, but they did a good job with that time.
Already getting wet.
Already?
Oh, so already.
Yeah, these rapids do get you wet.
That's a pretty big rapid.
It's not like Kali, folks. It's better than Kali.
I agree with him. The other man behind the camera, not like Kali.
That was a pretty good little rapids drop right there. Not weak rapids. They're coming up to the first lift hill.
These sprayers get you.
Heading up the first lift. This one is not an elevator, this is just a traditional raft ride lift.
This is kind of fun. This first lift hill, the conventional lift hill, when you're going up, you can watch people going down the big drop at the end, so it's kind of cool. A little more wet. A lot more wet.
I totally forgot I had that on. Oh well.
Oh well.
And remember folks, this is in Florida. It never goes below 70 during the day here pretty much, so water ride's what it's all about.
Alright, we're coming up to the next set of rapids. Oh no.
Here comes a nice decent drop. Nice.
Whoa, big splash.
Oh, nice.
These are some pretty nice rapids.
Wow, I love these little drops they do, and that's a little drop. And speaking of drops, we're about to get on that big elevator lift.
Here comes the big drop, guys.
And then the big drop. I believe this elevator lift is one of a kind, first time on a rapids ride.
I think I'm gonna go back with you, Dan. Always the seat that goes down.
And up we go. Oh, it's pretty fast too. And here comes the drop. Here we go. Whoa! That's pretty good.
great.
It doesn't spin you like Trolley and Grizzly River Run do, but it's still pretty fun.
Hey everybody, just wanted to say thanks for watching. We know you have lots of choices for theme park videos, so we appreciate you making the time for us. If you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more rides, shows, and attractions, don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks.